Good morning, my chat partners. Welcome back. How are you beautiful people doing? It is Saturday morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to leave my house. I'm looking a little rough this morning, y'all. I'm tired. But I got some errands I got to run this morning. I just want to take you guys along with me. So what I got is my headsets, phone charger, because I thought I charged my phone last night, but evidently when it was on the charger, I didn't have it plugged in all the way. And when I woke up this morning, it was 20%. So I got that. I got my little planner so I can make me a little to-do list while I'm out and about. Got my mailbox key so when I come back home, I can check my mailbox. So I put it in my little purse right here so I won't lose it. And then I can hang it back up when I get in the house. Got my bottle of water. And I got me some Lysol. Because what I'm getting ready to go do now is go get me an oil change. And I'm going to spray some Lysol on my car when I get back in here, because I don't know who's going to be in here. And y'all know we dealing with that coronavirus, so. And like I said, it's Saturday, it's March 14th. Guys, I got my hair cut yesterday, and I really like it. I really like my haircut. Got a lot of layers in there, so that's what I like. It's cute and simple, not too much going on. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go run these errands right quick. I'm gonna take you guys along. But yeah, I'll check in you guys a little bit later. So right now I'm at the auto glass place to see if I can get my windshield repaired. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. I just got done, well, I went and got my oil changed earlier, and I just left the tire place and got a quote to see how much it would cost to get new tires on my car. And it is 11:01, so I'm getting ready to go in here now and get this quote for my windshield to see if I can go ahead and get that done. And then I got to go back to the tire place because the tires that I'm getting, they had to bring them from another location. I have a small car. The tires on my car are small. I have a Toyota Yaris, and when I tell y'all I love my Yaris, y'all. I love my little car. I done had my car. Next month it'll be 11 years that I've had this car, and I love her so much. And my car got like over 230,000 miles on it, and it's still trucking. I don't got like no fancy gadgets in here. Just get me from point A to point B, and I love her. I'm like, dang, it's so crazy. When I first got my car, Miracle was 9 years old when I got this car. So basically, like, my daughter grew up in this car. Like, this been the car that I've had since my daughter's childhood, almost mid-childhood to adult. I got a lot of memories in this car. And I drove this car to New Jersey, and I drove this car to Miami. Like, this car done been somewhere everywhere. I'm still out and about, y'all. I'm tired though, because I'm used to getting up on Saturdays to go to work, but I'm not used to getting up running errands early in the morning. So let me go in here and see if they can get my windshield fixed and get this price, and I'm gonna show you guys what my windshield looking like in a minute. My windshield is looking like, see, it's cracked all the way across. Oh, hello my chat partners, welcome back. So I wasn't able to get the windshield fixed because I gotta make an appointment, and the woman, she had an attitude anyway, so I was like, let me just leave from up out of here. So I'm at the tire place now finna get some new feet on my baby. So guys, it's 2:32. I'm just getting home. I'm just pulling up in front of my house. So I'm getting ready to go in the house and wind down. And I had a long day. But you know what, y'all? I done got so much stuff accomplished. Got my oil changed. Went to go get a quote for some tires. And just so happened the quote was reasonable. Spot for about, I don't know. I was there for maybe about 2 hours, if that. Something like that. It was long enough. It actually felt good to get up in the morning and run some errands and then like get some things done, and it really showed me how much I really miss doing that. So let me go on in this house. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. If you are new here, my name is Dion. I hope you come back for many more videos. I hope my returning chat partners enjoyed this video, and I want you guys to know that I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. And if you guys have any video suggestions or comments, leave them down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. Always remember, you guys are awesome, great people. Be safe, take care, and be blessed. Bye, guys.